Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Joe from Filipino Rock TV. Today guys, we are reacting to the band Līve since 1984, American rock band. And the title of the song is Lightning Crashes. Let's react guys. This is live version. Live from Woodstock 1999.
Yeah!
Lightning crashes and no mother cries. He precipitous falls to the floor. Lightning, the angel opens her eyes.
The confusion sets in before the doctor can even close the door. Lightning crashes and old mother dies. Her intentions fall to the floor, all she ever wanted. The angel closes her eyes. The confusion else's. They'll always know. Kill a baby down the hall.
Back again, like the road just doing. Horses pulling
I can feel it. Lightning crashing, and no mother cries. Yeah. This moment she's been waiting for, and it slips right in on her. The angel opens her eyes, yeah, and a pale blue colored iris presents the circle of the glory out too high, high. Oh, now feeling coming back again, like a road thunder chasing the wind, forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. I know I can feel it.
one of my favorite song from the band Live. And I hope you like this song, guys. If you have a request, comment down below and I will try to react. Thanks again, guys.